Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Aitubo. In order to do so, here we are at aitubo.ai, and as you can see, in order to proceed, we are going to need the subscription. We've got the basic, the standard, and the pro. Basic starts at about $13 a month for the yearly. Then you're going up to $24 a month for the standard and $45 for the pro, but that's for the yearly. Let's take a look at the monthly. For the monthly, basic $15, standard $30, pro $60, and then you could see we have 8,000 tokens with the basic, 18,000 with the standard, and 42,000 with the pro. So that gives you an idea of what it's going to take for you to gain access to Aitubo. Now here we could see on the main site the main page here, we could see the different examples of things that people have created, and the results are really quite nice. We have an image generator, a video generator, an image editor, and an avatar generator, and it uses Flux for its generations. We can use a background remover, an image enhancer. We can use outpainting. So there's a lot here with Aitubo. Face swap, and we can even chat with an AI girlfriend of your dreams if you want to. There's also mobile apps for iOS, Android. You have Windows, Mac for the Apple Silicon and Intel. So that's everything that you have with Aitubo. Let's go ahead and launch the app, and you could see for yourself what we have access to. Now, we do get 100 free credits that we can use to play around with, but let's go ahead and take a look to see how much we can get away with here with Aitubo. But here on the left-hand side, we've got our main menu. We can go to the Explore page. And here we have a variety of images you can see that other people have created. Really nice results. We've got our models. So we've got Flux, Flux 1.1, Context, Dream Shaper, Imagen, Kriya, etc., etc. So there is a lot here to explore. Rankings. So here we have some of the top creators on the platform. And let's go ahead and take a look at the image generator. So first off, we want to select our style. Let's go ahead and go with a fantasy style. We could select our Laura. And here we have a variety to choose from, but you are going to note that in order to take advantage of them, you see this little icon here that does indicate that we need the subscription. So for now, we aren't going to be able to add a Laura. Performance, we've got speed, and we've got quality. The quality, again, you need the subscription. We have our aspect ratio here. We could choose the number of images that we want to generate. Let's go ahead and just generate one. And you can see for yourself that that is going to cost us 21 credits. I believe that's the case. But let's go ahead and try out our prompt here. So let's do 8K HDR, a green hooded hero in a fantasy forest, wearing gold mask and armor. Armor, thank you. Let's see, insane detail, and we'll just leave it at that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and generate, and you're going to see that's going to cost us 21 credits. We've got 100, so that gives you an idea of how much you're going to be able to get out of Aitubo. And that's just working right now. Going to take a moment here. Let's go ahead and let it think. Oh, that's already done. Okay. So pretty cool here. Now it didn't get the green hooded hero. I don't see really that anywhere, but we do see something that's pretty cool. I like the detail here, very high quality. Does that seem 8K to you? I'm not sure that that's the case, but that could just be because of the model that we're using for the free version. And let's see here. So then we have additional options on the right hand side, and we can see that recommend our model, we have our style, we can generate motion. So let's go ahead and take a look at that here. But we also have upscale, we can download, we can outpaint, we can inpaint, etc., etc. Let's try motion. And you could see here that in order to generate motion, that's going to cost 400 credits. So with the free credits that you get, I mean, it's really enough for some image generation. You're not going to be able to do much in terms of video generation, unfortunately. We've got text to video that we can use as well. There's image to video, reference to video. But again, all of that for video generation, you're looking at about 400 credits for a single generation. So that's, take that as you will. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look again at the, okay. So for $13, you get 8,000 tokens, and a single video generation is going to cost you 400 tokens. So you can do the math on that. You are going to be able to accomplish a certain amount with that, but you're going to burn through that pretty quick if you're generating video. Let's go ahead and head back here. We've got our image. Let's try upscaling. So upscale factor. So it's going to be 60 credits for a one-time upscale. And for 2 times, we got 231, 3, 521, and 4 times 926. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect. And that's with the Clarity Upscaler. If we're using the Fast Upscaler, then that's going to only cost 3. We have 2 options, general or anime. I don't know if it falls into the category of anime, but I mean, more or less it does, I guess. So let's go ahead and try generating that. Just curious to see how much that increases the resolution there. I think it does look a little bit better, but I wouldn't say it's a very noticeable difference. But that gives you an idea of everything that you can accomplish with Aitubo. There are some great tools here. It even has a music generator, so that's kind of interesting. We've got music effects, photo effects, a canvas, some additional tools. There's a lot packed in here. But just be aware, you're going to get 100 free credits to start. You can actually get free stars for checking in. So we've already checked in. So let's go ahead and claim that. So that's nice. There we go. We've got some more tokens that we can play around with. So that's a good thing to note, is that if you log in consecutively, then you get additional tokens. So that's going to allow you to play around some more, kind of keep you coming back. But again, you'll be able to do a lot with the AI, with the image generation, but not so much with the video generation. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you are interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to start an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.